The barrier is not just between development and operations. Where's testing gone? Testing is really a crucial part of this. And so what does it really mean? Well, we heard this. You've been hearing this in some of the presentations this morning in the workshops. The leading organizations are really making testers part of an integrated team. You don't have a test center of excellence decoupled where testing is happening and being executed anymore. Testers are part of the team. They're in the action. Well, I'll come back to the concept of TCO in a minute. But basically, in your iteration, you really need to be able to do all the testing. You define, the definition, quote unquote, of done if you're using Scrum. Very clearly, it has to include testing. And within each iteration, you have to have your unit testing done, your functional testing done, and even performance testing. All these are shifting to the left. You'll see that we talk about shifting to the left. But for each sprint, you also need to feed it with the right test data, right? That's kind of, again, it could be common sense if you think about how we develop software. Those are necessary things to deliver working software. And basically, you do that over and over. So testing becomes an integral part of an agile, and it becomes a progressive and an iterative process. And you can see that organizations are starting to address this by, as I mentioned, allocating testers inside the teams. Testers are being allocated in the teams. They are members of an integrated delivery team. They're doing lots of other stuff. They're also, introducing some of the more modern testing techniques. They are reducing manual. There's still too much manual going on. They're increasing automation. We all hear about that. But they're also dealing with test data management in a different way. Actually, we haven't been dealing with test data management at all, I would say, compared to what we would need to, because you can have a great testing process, you can have a great development process, but if you're not using the right test data, sometimes, or quite often, the quality is going to be poor. So, and then they're introducing, things like test-driven development, service utilization, still low, but, around the 20%